Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and today I'm showing you how I wash and style my curly hair with all vegan hair products.
Alright, so this is the situation that we are starting with. This is my hair after being in a bun for over 3 days. I start off with washing my hair with a mix of apple cider vinegar and water. I use this to shampoo my hair once a week, and I haven't used regular shampoo in almost 2 years. I'm using the Diva Curl One Condition Decadence in my hair, and I usually love to brush this through with a bamboo brush, but my hair actually ate mine, so I'm just using an old one I had at home. I'm using the Aveda Bee Curly Cream and their Confixor Gel to style my hair. I love these because they are vegan and Aveda doesn't test any of their products on animals. I'm starting off by using the curl cream and working it through all of my hair, and I like to use my Denman brush to brush it through just to make sure that everything gets covered really nicely. I squeeze out any of the excess product that I have in my hair, and I actually just move it to the back of my head because I always never put enough product back there and it just turns into a hot mess. Starting at the back of my head, I section my hair into small sections, and then I take my gel and I add it into my hair. And then from there, I start taking each and every single curl and twisting it out because I love having super defined curls. I always twist my curls away from my face, and then after every section I go through and I scrunch it. I go through and I do the exact same thing section by section, and when I get to the top of my head, I actually like to pull my curls up and twist them and let them fall wherever they fall, or else I find that it looks a little bit too structured. By now my arms are usually dead, but I just power through it because it is so worth it. Once I am finally done, I take some extra gel and I just do one last good scrunch and then I diffuse. I won't bore you with the process, but I can link Mains My Mouth video down below. That's how I learned how to do mine.
Once I'm done diffusing my hair, I just flip my head upside down and I shake it out a little bit. Please subscribe to my channel. I make videos every week, so hopefully I will see you in my next video. Just things in my face. Looks. If you like I don't know what to do.
That's
my curly hair with my curly.
No.
With my vegan.